What is a common mistake that students do when they see that the paper is beyond their scope? The common mistake that students do is run for a coaching institute and find some place where they could get exactly what could be asked in UPSC. But UPSC has never been an exam like that where you can pinpoint what can be asked in the examination specifically for prelims. Mains, however, is relatively predictable in nature. Now, when I talk about prelims, it's important that you need to have a proper guidelines to study. So start with your foundations being very strong. 8 to 10 questions can be easily attempted if you have a strong foundation with your NCERTs up to class 12th for social sciences, up to class 10th for sciences. So those 8 to 10 questions have been part of UPSC prelims paper every time, and this time even there were 2 numericals from economics, basic numericals of course, but yes, they were of the level of 11th and 12th macroeconomic syllabus. So if you have been covering economics, polity, history and geography up to class 12, you would be able to solve the foundational problems. Top of that, you would require to study extensive resources, and that extensive resources would vary from biotechnology to environment to defense to space and to latest developments back to culture and other avenues of polity and history as well, right? So it's better to have a focused vision for your prelims examination. Prepare early. Don't be afraid of the diversity of the questions that are being asked, and as a result just run for a coaching or run for some support system. You have to refer individual sources, PIBs, good newspapers on a regular basis, and that would be the basis for your good score for prelims and qualification for your mains examination. Of course, we'll be taking series of lectures on prelims as well as mains answer writing, so don't miss our sessions. Thanks for joining in.